Today we are going over this Zooz door window sensor. It is ridiculously small. Here we're comparing it with another door sensor from another company. Let's take a look at another angle. You can see that the Zooz on the left is very small. There it is on top. The Zooz comes with a magnet included for sensing the door. You can put it on the right side or the left side. This might not sound like a big deal, but it is, because it gives you more options to mount the sensor. Here's a standard US quarter. You can see that it's really small, very, very small. It's crazy small. I don't know how they make it this small. Let's get this pair with your favorite hub. I'm using Home Assistant, so go ahead and pop the lid open from the bottom. So for me in Home Assistant, I go into Configuration, Integrations, ZHA, click on Configure, and then Add Device. It will start searching for the device. Once Home Assistant or your hub is looking for the device, go ahead and pull this paper out to activate the battery. Click on this button 3 times fast. Click, click, click. And then Home Assistant or your hub will see the device is seen here. And it will ask for the pin. The pin is in the back of the cover. It's a 5-digit pin. It's bolded. Here you can see that it's adding the device into Home Assistant. Click on View Profile to see what's available. This is just a door sensor, so all we're seeing is whether the status of it is closed or open. There are no temperatures or humidity sensors built within. It is possible that for whatever reason, using super secure mode does not add in. So in that case, just use the legacy secure mode and that'll work. Hope you found this Zooz sensor super helpful. I love it because it's so small and I can easily hide it during my installation. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.